Deep in the oceans lives a creature so massive that even the largest dinosaurs in history seem small in comparison. A creature so huge that an entire elephant could stand on its tongue. The largest dinosaur ever to walk on land was Argentinosaurus, which weighed around 70 tons. But even if you placed 3 Argentinosaurus one behind the other, they still wouldn't match a single blue whale. This giant can swallow hundreds of tons of water in just one gulp. Its heart is so heavy that it weighs as much as a horse, and with a single heartbeat, it pumps hundreds of liters of blood through its body. Its voice is so powerful that it can travel hundreds of kilometers underwater. We are talking about the blue whale, the largest animal ever to exist on Earth. But if you think the story of the blue whale is only about its enormous size, you're wrong. Its story is far more fascinating than that. Very few people know that the ancestors of the blue whale once walked on land. So what happened that forced this creature into the ocean, where it slowly evolved into the largest living being on the planet? That's the mystery we are going to uncover in today's video. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free for you, and it gives us the motivation to keep creating such content. Millions of years ago, when gigantic dinosaurs ruled the earth, Argentinosaurus was considered the largest land animal in history. It measured around 30 to 35 meters in length and weighed close to 70 tons. Now imagine this. If you combine the weight of 3 such massive dinosaurs, it would be about 210 tons. The shocking truth is that a single blue whale can weigh just as much. In terms of weight alone, one blue whale equals 3 massive dinosaurs. The sheer size of the blue whale becomes even more unbelievable when you realize that even a large passenger airplane looks tiny in front of it. Its tongue alone weighs around 3 tons, roughly the same as an adult elephant. Its heart is so enormous that it can outperform a small car in size. Just imagine a creature whose single organ is that massive. Now think about how gigantic its entire body must be. This raises an important question. How did the blue whale become so large? Scientists once believed that living in water reduced the effects of gravity, allowing the body to grow larger. But later research showed that this was only part of the truth. The real secret lies in the blue whale's unique feeding method. Interestingly, while the blue whale is the heaviest animal to ever exist, it is not the longest. Deep in the ocean lives another creature called the bootlace worm, which can grow longer than 50 meters. However, in terms of weight, it is nothing compared to a blue whale. That's why scientists decided that the title of largest animal would be based on weight, and the blue whale clearly dominates that category. The body of a blue whale looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Its average weight is around 150 tons and can reach up to 200 tons in extreme cases. It can grow up to 30 meters long. Its heart beats only a few times per minute, but each beat sends hundreds of liters of blood throughout its body. Its blood vessels are so wide that a human could crawl through them. The blue whale is not only impressive because of its size, but also because of its voice. Its calls are among the loudest sounds produced by any animal, and can travel hundreds of kilometers underwater. Blue whales use these sounds to communicate with other whales, navigate the vast oceans, and maintain contact during long migrations. Despite its size, the blue whale is not a fish. It is a marine mammal. It does not lay eggs. Instead, it gives birth to live young. When a blue whale calf is born, it is already larger than many animals on Earth. At birth, it weighs between 2 and 3 tons and measures about 7 to 8 meters in length. Every day, the calf drinks hundreds of liters of milk and gains weight rapidly. This milk is extremely thick and rich, containing several times more fat than cow's milk. Blue whales are found in oceans all around the world. During summer, they migrate toward colder regions, and in winter, they return to warmer tropical waters. Every year, they travel thousands of kilometers across the oceans. Such long journeys require an enormous amount of energy, which brings us to the biggest mystery of all, their diet. Despite being the largest animal ever, the blue whale feeds on some of the smallest creatures in the ocean. Its primary food is krill, tiny shrimp-like animals. When a blue whale feeds, it opens its massive mouth and takes in hundreds of tons of water. Using its special baleen plates, it filters the water out while trapping the krill inside. In this way, a blue whale can consume several tons of krill every single day. This filter feeding system is the true secret behind its incredible size. Around 30 million years ago, baleen whales began to evolve. Later, during the ice ages, the oceans cooled and food sources became spread out. To survive and reproduce, whales needed to travel long distances. A larger body allowed them to store more energy, travel farther, and face fewer predators. Over millions of years, this process turned the blue whale into the largest creature the planet has ever known. However, human greed nearly destroyed this magnificent animal. For centuries, blue whales were hunted for their meat, oil, and body parts. In the 20th century, their population declined rapidly, pushing them to the edge of extinction. Eventually, international bans on whaling helped slow this destruction, allowing their numbers to recover slightly. Even today, the number of blue whales in the world remains limited. The blue whale is not just an animal, it is a symbol of Earth's natural balance and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the planet. If you enjoyed this story of the blue whale, make sure to like the video, comment on what amazed you the most, and subscribe to the channel, because next time we'll bring you another unbelievable story from the depths of the ocean.